there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cartoon cabbage. So here you can see that I'm using my compass with a pencil in it to draw the cartoon cabbage. At the beginning, you have to draw a circle. Now I will be drawing two tiny circles and these are its eyes. Now I'm using my light green pen. Wow! And now I'm using a dark green pen. I'm using light green pen again. I'm doing the coloring with the dark green color. Now I'm using my green highlighter pen. Let's clean all the extra pencil marks. I'm using the same green highlighter pen. And I'm using pink colored pen. I'm using the green highlighter pen again. Now I'm using a tiny yellow-green pen. Light green again. And now I'm using a black pen. Let's complete the coloring. And now I'm using light green colored pencil. And I'm using a black pen to draw its hand and legs. I'm using a pencil to draw a shadow. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.